Dude, now I'm going to tell what is the difference between fraction or decimal. Here it is known as fraction and here 0.25 it is known as decimal. I'm going to tell how they're going to be different. Here if you take apples, you can take as apples if you take complete numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 100 or even 1000. They are all complete apples. You're going to get 1 apple or 3 apples or 5 apples or even 7 or 100 apples. They are known as complete apples. Zero means it is you don't have anything. And this one minus number means negative apples. You're going to have -1, -3 or -5 means you're going to have apples which are negative. Negative apples means it just destroys with positive apples or it sucks your nutrition when you eat it. They are negative apples. Now I'm going to tell what are fraction or decimal. If you take complete apples, they are going to known as whole numbers or integers. And if you take the parts of apples, it's going to be known as this one. What are fraction or decimals? I'm going to tell what is fraction and what is decimal. You take this apple. You take this apple and divide into three parts. In these three parts, if you take these two parts, it's going to become 2 by 3 fraction. And in the same way, if you take this apple, you're going to divide it into 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces, you're going to get the 3 apples out of it. It is known as 3 by 5 apple. And if you take the same apple and going to divide into 10 pieces, now if you take a piece, it's going to become 1 by 10 pieces. And what are decimals means when you can divide in any different combination, 3 pieces, 5 pieces, 10 pieces or even 59 pieces, it's going to become fraction. Like in 59 pieces you take 27, it's going to become 27 by 59. Or if you take just one piece, it becomes 1 by 59. Or if you take all pieces, it is known as complete apple or 59 by 59 apple. And now I'm going to tell how decimal exists. Decimal exists if you're going to divide apple in exact symmetrical places. Means you must divide apple in either exactly 10 pieces. So in 10 pieces, if you take one, it's going to become 0.1. If you take 3 apples, it's going to become 0.3. Or if you take 5 pieces of in single apple, it's going to become 0.5. And you must divide in 100 pieces or 1000 pieces. If you divide in 100 pieces, it's going to become 1.15. Here you are taking 15 pieces out of 100 pieces. And 0.23 means you are taking 23 pieces from 100 pieces. And if you take apple and divide into 1000 different pieces, you're going to get like 3-digit number 231. There you are taking 231 pieces from 1000 pieces. And here it is 1000 piece, 100 piece, and if you take just one piece, it's going to become 0.001. Or if you take just 5 pieces, it's going to become 0.005 of tiny pieces of 1000 pieces of apple. Now here you're going to get like a pattern like this. If you divide exactly in multiple of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or even a million pieces, it's going to be known as this one. If you divide like million pieces, it can be written as decimal. Or if you divide an apple in any irregular shape like 3 pieces, 5 pieces, 7 pieces and even symmetrical like this, you're going to get it like fractions of pieces. If it is irregular fraction and proper in tens multiple, it's going to become decimal. You're going to hear a number where they're going to tell like this. What is that piece? That is 32.315. Here you need to know how many pieces the apple got divided. Here 32 means 32 full apples are present. 32 of full apples, and 0.315 means 1, 2, 3, 10 plus, 100 plus, thousands plus. Since it is thousands plus, you're going to divide next apple into 1000 pieces. In those 1000 pieces, you're going to take 315 pieces of 1000 pieces of an apple. Means this 0.315 is just 1/3 of the one complete apple. 32 full apples, 315 small apples. And you're going to hear like this. That is 2.56 means tens one, hundreds one. Means there are 2 full apples and another one. In one apple they're going to divide into 100 pieces and you are taking just 56 pieces of those 100 pieces. This is going to become 2.56. Like any fraction, you can find it out. And if they are giving out like this number 0.00001, now you need to know it. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. You are going to divide this apple into 100,000 very small tiny pieces of 100,000 pieces, and in those 100,000 pieces you are just taking a single piece, that is known as 0.0001 of it. And I'm going to tell you one fraction about it. What is the meaning of 7/3 or improper fraction? Improper fraction means each apple you're going to divide into just 3 pieces, and among those 3 pieces you are taking 7 pieces. Means here 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 pieces and 1 7 pieces. What is actually thing? One complete apple, another complete apple, and one apple of 2 complete apples, and one of 3 pieces to 1/3. That's how you're going to convert mixed into improper fraction. 3 2 times 6, 1 remains, that is 2 1/3. That's the actual meaning of mixed apples. Here you're going to get it as 100 2/5, means there are completely 100 apples which are fully 100 full apples, and another one apple they're going to divide like 5 pieces. That means here you're going to divide into 5 of the pieces, and among 5 pieces you are just having 2 pieces, and they give big mixed fraction like this one, that is 19/2. Means each apple they are dividing into just 2 pieces. Each apple they are dividing into 2 pieces, and like that they are taking 19 pieces. Means each 2 piece going to become 1 apple. This to 1, this to 1, this to 1, 2 becomes 1, 2 becomes 1, 2 becomes 1. Like 18 pieces going to become half of it, means 9 full apples, and again 1 piece going to remain. 18 pieces going to become 2 join to become 9 full apples, half of pieces, and this one full apple going to remain. That full apple you make another 1 piece, just 1 piece of that 2 pieces, that is 9 1/2. That's how you convert 19/2 to 9 half. That means 2 9 times is 18, 1 remains, 9 1/2. Like this, if you convert this improper pieces into proper in tens, hundreds or thousands of pieces, it going to, you can convert decimal into fraction or fraction into decimal like numbers. Bye.